welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of the squishies, blind bags and squishies I got at Dollar Tree. Don't mind the backpack, this is my school backpack. So first I'm gonna start off with not a squishy, I'm gonna start off with this blind bag. So it's a Adorables blind bag, 45 to collect. I have gotten one of these, but it was like a scary version, so I don't know like what there could be, but I don't know. I'm hoping something cute. Okay, let's open it. Okay, why am I looking? No looking. Okay, let me not look, but let me put it right here and let's see the collection. I'm hoping for any of the princesses. I'm also hoping for Dumbo and any of these, because these are really cute. Any of these and any of these. Okay, have it in my hand. Let's see. I got this. He's actually so cute and ugly in a way. I think so. I think so a rare or something. I got this guy. He's really cute. Okay, next we're gonna be opening these slow rising squishies. Okay, I opened these. 4 of these little fast slow rising are really good for a dog. First I got this. Oh, it actually feels so soft. This little donut, a blue one. Then I got this little pink one. Oh, this one's really soft. And then I got these little burgers. And then I got this one, but this one's kind of hard, but I still really like it. Okay, these are really good, and this one's like kind of like not that good, but it's still good. These are definitely a 10 out of 10 for $1 and more taxes. And now the dumplings. Okay. There's a lot of colors, but I'm really hoping for glitter or green or blue. Okay, let me open it. I think it's from here. Okay, you guys will look first. Oh, it comes with this little cute little mini dumpling case. Okay, you guys will look first. Okay, what is it? Oh, it's a blue glitter. Oh, it's a water squishy. I thought it would be a mochi. I got a blue glittery one. It's so cute. Okay, those are really cute. I thought they would be like mochis, but they're like water squishies, which I love. Okay, next. They're really hard to open, so I just like get it from here. Okay, let's see what I get. I'm hoping for, again, glitter or green, which I really want. But if I get blue again, it would be good for like trading or something. So yes. So let's see what we get. What is it? Aw, it's another duplicate, but it's okay. I could maybe trade it. I got these little cute things. Bye.